Alright, now we have to convert each of the following percentages into a fraction or decimal. So how do we do that? Do take note. So to convert a percentage to fraction or decimal, we just need to divide by 100. Alright, so this is how we are going to do it now. For A part 1, for each question I will need to convert either a, do take note, fraction or a decimal. So I have to do it 2 times. So for part A, part 1, convert this into a fraction, I will have to divide by 100. And if I use the calculator, this will be the simplest form. And for A part 2, if I use my calculator, this will give me 0.07. Now for B part 1, 30. So to take note, we just make use of the 30. I'm going to divide by 100. This will give me 3/10. That's the fraction. And 30/100, to write it in decimal will be 0.3. Continue for C part 1. I have 65, so it will be 65/100. 65/100, use my calculator, this will give me 13/20, simplest form for fraction. C part 2, this will give me 0.65 for a decimal. D part 1, 160%, so 160/100. This will give me 8/5. Should write it in mixed number, 1 and 3/5. And to write it in decimal will be 1.6. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, please feel free to click on the subscribe button. Mr. Ryan Tan here, always happy to share with you how to solve math problems.